It's a simple question on integration by substitution, okay? The second part says that using this substitution, you find the t, okay? So let's start this. Okay, so I have this t that is equal to limit. I'll not be writing the limits right now here. This is going to be 10 over, I'll simply be writing u here, because 5 minus under root h is to be substituted by u. Okay. Now, let's think about this dh. What to write for this dh? So let's find this du by dh. That is going to be minus 1 over 2 under root h. Okay? Now, if this u is 5 minus under root h, what will be under root h? Can I say under root h will be 5 minus u? Yes. So this du over dh is going to be minus 1 over 2 into 5 minus u. I'll be doing the cross multiplication. So this 2 minus 2 into 5 minus u du, that is your dh. So this means that I'll be changing this dh with all of this. So I'll write minus here into 2 into 5 minus u, okay, du. Okay? Now let's think about the limits. What to do about the limits. So when you have this is the lower limit of this h. So when your h is 0, what will be your u? That will be 5, because you simply substitute your h into this over here, okay? When your h is 4, what will be u? That will be 3. So this is limit from 5 to 3, okay? Now I'll be writing this as, I'll be writing this minus 20 here. This is limit from 5 to 3, and this is 5 minus u over u, and this is du. But so, as a math student, if you see somewhere written 4 over 6, now, will that be all right for you if you see somewhere 4 over 6? No? Something should happen to you. You should feel bad about it, and you should say, okay, this should be written as 2 over 3. Similarly, if you have, let's say, 1 over under root 2, you must not leave your answer like this. You should rationalize the denominator. Similarly, when you have the definite integrals, so what is there that can disturb you right now over here? If you look at this thing, what is disturbing you? The limits, because the limits should always go from the smaller to the bigger value. There is the scene is opposite over here, okay? So how can I write this from 3 to 5? By changing the sign, okay? So if I remove this minus sign, so this would become 20, and limit from 3 to 5. So try to keep the limits from smaller to the bigger, okay? Now how can I integrate this 5 minus u over u? Yeah, this is simply a P1 kind of a question where you will be splitting this. Okay, Isha, you can have this question in your P1. Okay, this is u over u is going to be 1. So now let's apply the limits. This is limit from 3 to 5. So what do we have inside here? What is the integral of 5 over u? 5 ln u. Okay. 1 over u का integral हो जाएगा ln u, the natural log of u, and this is minus u. So we put the limits in. This is 5 ln 5 minus 5 minus 5 ln 3 minus 3, and this is like this. Okay, so this is 20 into this will be 5 ln 5 plus 5 ln, sorry, this is minus 5 ln 3. So this is minus 5 ln 3, where minus 5 plus 3. So I have 20 into 5 ln 5 over 3 minus 2. So you can leave it like this, but if you have to give your answer um, correct to 3 significant figures, I think this is going to be 11.1 hours. Any questions, bacho?